In this video, we start understanding the project from the scrap. After getting the client requirements, the initial description of the application will be provided to the client. Based on the approval, we go ahead and start writing about code of conduct, software requirement specification, and other documents. Okay, this is the first document that we submit to the client as a basic description to the application that we are about to design. All right, so the client name here is, see, for each individual there will be different client name, and application type will also vary. So please consider this as an example. That's it. Okay, so your client name will be given under the client name related details, and the kind of applications. See, mobile applications will be of different types. Mobile web application which will be designed using HTML5 and other important options. Content management applications will be there, that is another option. Third one is Android applications, iOS applications, integrated applications, something like this. There will be different types of mobile applications. Here we are discussing about mobile web application. We can mention it as a cloud based mobile web application also. Okay, to make it simple, the kind of application that is proposed for Sigma Corp is mobile web application. Based on the requirements that is provided by the client, we understood that organization is having a communication issue. To overcome that communication issue, we are proposing a mobile web application development for the organization. So because of which it makes easy for the organization and people working for the organization to have a better communication channel. Okay, this is one purpose, and the second purpose is generating customer leads, processing customer leads, and providing loans to the customers is second requirement. And processing loan is another module that we will be implementing for the organization. And using that process, the customer executive will be collecting all the details from the customer and processing it for processing it to understand the credit history of the customer. Based on the points, credit points he achieves, a loan will be approved. Okay, so this kind of what are the processes that are associated with the financial corp named Sigma Corp, Sigma FinCorp. um, the application will be developed and it will satisfy all the requirements of the organization. So this is our basic requirement. Okay, the software requirement specification document, a proper explanation is given about the organization and the kind of works we do, and project related information, what is the background of the organization, what are the problems, and what kind of technologies we use to deploy application for the Sigma Corp. Some basic informations are provided. See, here purpose of the mobile application, this is problem definition, and the benefits of implementing application. It is small, like somehow here briefly explained about the benefits. You can add few more benefits, and you can improvise it. Okay, here the proposed solution is provided here. Okay, so this all information we can reuse also, and we can extend it. But what I tell you is just rewrite whatever the information you are having. You can use this one, proposal solution one, and you can improvise it. You can add few more sense details, and you can make it 500 words. Okay, we need some extended explanation on the concept. Here maybe some limited information might be provided here, so we'll be extending it now. All right, here in problem solution we just wrote about what is the procedure we are following. If you check this solution document, what is the actual solution proposed, we will be writing it, and the kind of software methodology we are using to complete the project. And we also discuss about project implementation. In this document you can see this project schedule related information. We also mention about project implementation plan, how we are going to implement the project and everything. Okay, this kind of information will be included in this section. And if you have difficulty in understanding that, just cross check PPT. It clearly describes what are the important purpose and expected benefits of the organization, and there will be some system design diagram. This is the application. User logins, and he can apply for loan and he can get it granted on application itself. Okay, customer can directly log on to the application and he can submit all the details, and on customer portal itself it automatically approves some loan amount to the customer. So this is some basic application that we propose to describe. Okay, so these are some important details about the document. And discussing about user demographics, see, cross check this one. So in this application, as I told you, like the application establishes communication between employee and employee. So definitely employees are the users of the application, so we need to provide employee demographics. Okay, the age of the employee, like maybe gender of the employees, uh, so some basic details about the employees we can provide that one. Then the customers and managers are some of the people. Employees can be of different types, right? Customer executives, okay, lending service executives, maybe managers of the application in organization. They all can use the application to generate some information, like extract some information and use it for analysis purpose. Okay, so then we will be having customers who directly log on to the application, and they will be applying for loan. Okay, these two types of customers we can see. Maybe guest users will also be there, so who will not have any account with the organization. Okay, their demographics. See, basic mobile web application, usually it accepts both male and female people. Okay, both the type of genders can access the application. There is no like a biased kind of thing. Not nobody is restricted from using application. Only thing is, while processing the loan, it is mandatory that the person who is applying for the loan should have 18 years or more. Okay, in the same way, in employee side also, usually employees in the organization will be having age, maybe that is greater than 18 years of age, so that age factor will be given. And as you know that Sigma FinCorp is an Indian organization, so the operations might be limited to the Indian. So the restriction is that the user should be an Indian. Maybe the restriction is that an employee who is reviewing the application, maybe he should be belong to a certain particular area, something like that. Demographics related information can be discussed in that way. I have provided clear information, like clear, some basic details about the demographics here. Okay, you can discuss that the customer who is accessing the application should be having age between 18 and 60 years. Below 18 and above 60 years will not be permitted to apply for loan, something like that. We need to discuss. Okay, so again, you can also discuss about the employed, whether the customer is employed or unemployed or self-help groups kind of thing. Okay, uh, male, female, or like both type of genders are allowed or not. That way, region, like the demographic reason, India, as the organization is having operations in India, we restrict customers of India to, we restrict customers to, like we limit customers from India only can use the application. Okay, there will be limitation. Understood in that way. So that's it, guys. So I need a solution document, benefits, demographics, recommendations, and conclusions. In these two sections, 1,000 word content is already done. Remaining 2,000 or 2,300 words content is required for me. Okay, I expect you able to finish it as quick as possible. Maybe before 5, if you send me that, by send 5 or 5:30, if you send me that, I can include it in my document and I can forward it. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you.